very stiff targets for this year as well. This is the first time in India Post history that we are growing in double digits. General growth trends at India Post have been in the range of 1 to 2.5% per annum. Last year we grew by close to about 20%. This quarter, I'm very glad to report to you that total turnover compared to quarter one of FY 25-26 has grown by 22.2%. Last year, quarter one was 3,280 crores. This year, quarter one is 4,008 crores. This is the first time in the history of India Post that quarter one turnover has hit 4,000 crores and above. Generally, Q4 has been a high revenue quarter, but this is the first time that first quarter of a financial year we've hit above 4,000 crores of turnover. So it's a tremendous achievement on the part of the full India Post team. My India Post family of over 4 lakh people have toiled day in and day out to produce these results, and I, with humility, bow my head to all of them for the service that they have performed for India Post and for the nation. As you are aware, we have 6 verticals within India Post, and I will share the results per vertical. Parcel has grown by 50% over first quarter of 25-26. Last year we were at 197 crores of revenue. This year we've closed at 296 crores of revenue, change of 99 crores over one quarter. So almost a 50% growth rate. Mails has grown by 42%, 552 crores last year, 783 crores this year, growth of 231.5 crores. IR and GB has been the difficult one because of international situations with regard to the West Asia crisis and so on and so forth. But even that, in these difficult times, has grown from 136 crores to 184 crores, showing a growth rate of 34.3% at a growth of 47 crores. Citizen-centric services has astounded us. It astounded us last year, and so has it in this quarter. 109 crores last year, quarter one. This year, 203 crores, grown by 94 crores, which is a whopping 86% over last year. Post Office Savings Bank has grown by 9.7%. 1,937 crores last year, now 2,124 crores, growth of 188 crores. And finally PLI and RPLI, last year 348 crores, this year quarter one 419 crores, growth of 70 crores at 20.1%.